our shoulders would sometimes make her blue. You may have left, but I have not forsaken. I can still feel the thin walls shaking, the icy wind leaking through the rotten window frames, and my eyes are still seeking yours in crowded spaces. We may have stopped speaking, but I vividly remember how your voice would linger in space, how it would make my hair stand up straight. I was afraid of... Now that September has started and the sky is crying every day, don't let it wash away what is, for it is the only thing that's left of the summer nights just weeks ago. Its orange skies feel so distant, empty instant in September. So I urge you to remember that the days are long, that the days are short. The days are long, but the years are short. I'm slowly losing touch as this world gets more confusing. I'm praying to my phone too much, hope it'll grant me a solution. It seems to be almighty, the whole world behind the screen, all knowing and all loving. Zeros and ones are all we know.